Materials required: colored chart paper, adhesive, scissors, scale. Today, let's make a paper napkin holder. First, mark segments with a pencil and scale and cut out a circular piece of colored chart paper. Now, cut out the segments with the help of scissors as we do here. Fold the edges of the larger segments to make creases. Now, spread out the cutout on a table and apply adhesive on the flaps. Once the flaps are ready, fold them inwards and paste. Now, on the overlapping flaps, apply some adhesive and paste together. Your paper napkin holder is ready to use.